Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, Melissa at 7 o'clock this evening was at 16 degrees north and 75.5 degrees west. There has been a change in the positioning of the system over the past few hours. 16.0 degrees north, 75.5 degrees west. Now, the movement is towards the north very slowly at about 4 kilometers per hour. The system is expected to be moving further towards the north, making a slight turn towards the north-northeast over the next few hours. And then in the afternoon on Saturday, we are expecting the system to make a turn further towards the west, and there is likely to become a major hurricane sometime in the morning, early in the morning on Sunday. But currently the maximum wind speeds are about 75 kilometers per hour. Let's have a look at the satellite imagery across the Caribbean basin, where we can see cloudy conditions persisting right through the eastern and central portions of the basin. Now, across the western Caribbean, we do have generally stable conditions and a weak trough system across the area. A lot of our winds through the western portion of the Caribbean are northerly as a result of the system, that curl of the system. So we do have drier conditions along the leading edge of the hurricane, of the tropical storm. Now, the movement is towards the north, so we're going to continue to see cloudy conditions affect most of the Hispaniola and sections of eastern Cuba areas over the next couple of days. Cloudy conditions persisting through the general area. A further turn towards the west should have clouds persisting across the Jamaica area this weekend. The forecast for tonight: there are showers lingering mainly across sections of the northeast. We are expecting the temperatures to drop to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, for the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies across sections of the west, but there are isolated showers expected across inland areas of eastern parishes. For the afternoon, more of those isolated showers and thunderstorms are expected. We expect most of the activity to be developing later in the nighttime. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in both Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, for the breakdown: cloudy conditions persist for most of the day in the southeast. There are isolated showers and thunderstorms likely in Morant Bay and Kingston. Isolated thunderstorms are expected in the late afternoon in Spanish Town as well as Maypen and Mandeville. For the southwest, cloudy conditions persist in Santa Cruz and Savannah Lamar for most of the day. We're expecting isolated showers in the afternoon in Black River and Negril. Morning showers and thunderstorms are forecast for Port Antonio and Port Maria. Elsewhere across the north, cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions are likely in Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay, partly cloudy in Brownstown, with showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon in Falmouth, Montego Bay and Lucy. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.